To be truly positive in the eyes of some, you have to risk appearing negative in the eyes of others. Good afternoon, one and all, respected GTO sir, and all my dear friends. Today's topic for lecture 8 is Citizenship Amendment Act. This act was passed by the Indian Parliament in the month of December 2019, and this law was very much in the news because of various controversies arise on this. So we will look through what are the changes have been made in the 1955 Citizenship of India Act and why this law is controversial and what is the stance of government and the Supreme Court of India on the same. So this law basically talk about the granting citizenship to the religiously persecuted minorities from the three countries, the Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Those minorities include Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Parsi, Christian, Buddhist, etc. But the controversy arises because this law does not include Muslims who are also being persecuted in Pakistan, such as Ahmadiyya and Shia Muslims, and the atheists who are also persecuted in Bangladesh. And there is also major controversies from the Northeast because of the pressure on their cultural, linguistic heritage. So, for protecting the areas of Northeast, government had applied the 6th schedule and inner line permit in the 7 states. This include almost Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, and large part of Assam. But still, the people of Assam, they are not satisfied with this law because this violates the Assam Code of 1985. And the major critics, they critique this act by saying that this is the violation of the Article 14 of Indian Constitution, because this law sees the citizenship of India by the eyes of religion. Yeah, and this is true, and this has been challenged by various individuals and organizations in the Supreme Court of India. So let's see what are the results and the output of the Supreme Court of India. And I think as far as we have seen months that Supreme Court have not objected this law. So the people of India, they should understand that India has been home to all the religions, and we have made changes in our Constitution, Citizenship Act according to the time, and this is the demand of time to provide citizenship to those illegal immigrants who are being persecuted in the three countries, because we had also made changes in our Constitution in 1971 when Bangladeshi refugees came to India, and 1985 when the Sri Lankan Tamil came to India. So that's all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.